welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. The maternity leave, guys, is over. A mother of 3 and a generation, the legacy actress Manaka Ranaka shared on her Instagram page that she is back to work after a short maternity leave. She was dearly missed by her fans, and we are happy that she is back on our screen. Just like every woman, after giving birth, she promised it's enough, no baby anymore, and also reveal her birth control option. Fans flooded her comment section with laughter, love, support, and welcoming messages. Please guys, check the video below and share your opinion. Bye.
Yo, first day back at work. Ngitha ngisamfuna omunye umntwana. Yilwa ntombo, yilwa nyalo ekhaya. But yilwa ntombo, yilwa. Yilwa ntombo. Ngoshisa mangifika phambili. Yes. Bese ke nasinukisa kamnandi. Or kanjani? Oh yes. Iplento le. Ilwa ntombo yami. How can I? Yo. So oh, elahleka. Nayi. Sengithathile i1. Ngiyanyiwa no. Dlali.